Did you know that every 36 seconds, someone in the United States dies from heart disease? It's a frightening statistic, and it shows just how crucial it is to take care of our heart health. Today, I'm here to help you fight these odds. Welcome to our guide on the top 10 essential tips for boosting your heart health. These are not just tips, but life-saving practices that can enhance your heart function and extend your life. Stay tuned as we explore each tip that will not only inform you but potentially save your life. Let's start making those heart-smart choices together. Let's start with tip number 1, embrace a heart-healthy diet. When it comes to safeguarding your heart, your diet plays a crucial role. A heart-healthy diet should include staples like colorful fruits and vegetables, rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. Envision vibrant berries, leafy greens, and crunchy carrots. Incorporate whole grains, such as oats and barley, which help manage blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. Lean proteins, especially from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, known for reducing inflammation and enhancing heart function. Don't forget about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are perfect for snacking and beneficial for heart health. Limit your intake of processed foods, added sugars, and trans fats, known offenders in cardiovascular disease. Instead of reaching for a soda, why not opt for fresh orange juice or enjoy sparkling water with a splash of lemon? Now, let's move on to tip number 2. Get moving for your heart. Exercise isn't just about losing weight. It's a key to unlocking a healthier heart. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart muscle, improves blood flow, and can help manage stress and weight. Whether it's a quick jog, a dance class, or even gardening, every bit of movement counts in the fight against heart disease. Consider this. Aerobic exercises like swimming, biking, or walking increase your heart rate and improve its efficiency over time. Resistance training, on the other hand, isn't just for building muscles. It also helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Mixing different types of activities can keep your routines interesting and cover all aspects of fitness. But how much should you exercise? The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity. If that sounds overwhelming, break it down into manageable 30-minute sessions over 5 days. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to stay active? Share your top exercise tips or routines in the comments below. Let's move for tip number 3. Say no to tobacco. Smoking is one of the most preventable risk factors for heart disease. Every cigarette smoked damages the heart and blood vessels, making heart disease, stroke, and peripheral vascular disease more likely. It's not just cigarettes. Chewing tobacco, cigars, and other forms of tobacco also contribute to heart problems by affecting blood flow and increasing cholesterol buildup. Quitting tobacco is tough, but the benefits for your heart start almost immediately. Within 20 minutes of quitting, your heart rate and blood pressure drop to healthier levels. Within a year, your risk of coronary heart disease is half that of a smoker's. Consider nicotine replacement therapies, like patches or gum. Seek support from quit smoking programs and surround yourself with friends and family who support your decision. Managing stress, finding new ways to relax without tobacco are also crucial. What strategies worked best? Share your experiences in the comments to inspire and assist others in their journey to quit smoking. Let's move for tip number 4. Manage your weight smartly. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about looking good. It's about keeping your heart functioning at its best. Excess weight can lead to serious heart conditions by putting extra strain on your heart and increasing risks of diseases like hypertension, high cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes. Here's the science behind it. Body fat, especially around the abdomen, is not just idle. Reducing these fat deposits can lead to significant improvements in heart function and overall cardiovascular health. But how do you manage weight effectively? It's about creating a sustainable balance between calorie intake and physical activity. Setting realistic goals is key. Aim for a gradual weight loss of about 1-2 pounds per week. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to sustainable weight management. Let's make it interactive. If you've had success in managing your weight, what worked for you? Or if you're just starting your journey, what is your plan? Share your story in the comments to inspire and encourage others. Today, we've journeyed through 4 transformative tips for boosting your heart health. Now, I challenge you to pick at least one tip from today's video to implement this week. Share your choice in the comments below and any additional tips you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. And let's make heart health a priority together. Thanks for watching.